Toucans, with their remarkably large, colorful beaks and vibrant plumage, are captivating birds that add a splash of color and energy to the tropical forests of the Americas. These remarkable creatures belong to the family Ramphastidae, encompassing over 40 distinct species, each with its unique characteristics. The most striking feature of toucans is undoubtedly their beaks. These oversized structures, ranging in color from bright orange to vibrant green, are composed of a lightweight keratin protein, making them surprisingly light despite their size. Despite their large appearance, toucan beaks are incredibly maneuverable, allowing these birds to skillfully reach for fruits, insects, and even small lizards. Contrary to popular belief, toucan beaks are not hollow. They are filled with a spongy bone structure that helps regulate the bird's body temperature. Toucans are not just about their beaks, their plumage is equally impressive. Their feathers come in a dazzling array of colors, including vibrant blues, greens, yellows, and oranges. These striking patterns serve not only for aesthetic appeal, but also for communication and camouflage. Toucans use their colorful plumage to attract mates, defend their territories, and blend into their surroundings. Toucans are primarily arboreal birds, spending the majority of their time in the rainforest canopy. They are well adapted to this aerial lifestyle, possessing strong wings and agile feet that allow them to navigate the dense foliage with ease. Toucans play a crucial role in the rainforest ecosystem, acting as seed dispersers and helping to control insect populations. Toucans are social creatures, often living in pairs or small groups. They communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, including loud yelps, barks, and whistles. These calls serve to maintain social bonds, defend territories, and warn of potential threats. Toucans typically nest in tree cavities, laying clutches of 2 to 4 eggs. Both parents share the responsibility of incubating the eggs and caring for the young hatchlings. Toucan chicks are born altricial, meaning they are helpless and require extensive parental care. They remain in the nest for several weeks until they are fully fledged and ready to face the world independently. Toucans are popular subjects among birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts, admired for their unique appearance and lively personalities. Their presence in rainforests attracts tourists, contributing to the local economy. However, habitat destruction and hunting pose significant threats to toucan populations. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these remarkable birds and ensure their continued existence in the tropical rainforests they call home. Toucans are more than just birds with big beaks. They are vibrant ambassadors of the rainforest's rich biodiversity. Their presence adds a touch of color and energy to their tropical habitats, while their ecological contributions play a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of the rainforest ecosystem. As we continue to explore and appreciate the natural world, toucans serve as a reminder of the wonders that await in our planet's rainforests.